Michelle, this is a fantastic day to be inside somewhere like the Tanger Center watching a show, just because the weather is kind of not the best to be out and about. You kind of just do want to stay inside.
Yeah, nice to see that we've got the cold winds unfortunately coming up tonight. So if you are heading to shows or dinners, just, you know, add that extra layer. It's winter after all. We expect this, but had gotten used to those 50s. We have them coming back though. Let's show you what's going on right now for you. We can see out over areas of Belews Lake. It started off on a slightly dry note just before about 7:30 until things really kicked up, and the heavy rains are now continuing to push north and east over the Belews Lake. So starting to see some drying out too for you, but it has been heavy rain coming down over the lake for a while now and totaling almost an inch in these spots. You can see here the racing showers rolling out over Martinsville and Danville. And here's another line that has formed too. This has been moving out of the foothills, so you can get another wave of showers as a warm front is lifting into our south. But right now 40 degrees in Winston-Salem. You're seeing winds out of the north at 12 miles an hour. Feels like temperatures at 33. Yeah, it's uncomfortable out there to say the least. Temperatures combined with those rainfall totals, pretty impressive today. You've got 41/100ths of an inch in Greensboro, and we're starting to see totals begin to come up in western Alamance County, but we're working on that. But almost an inch, Mount Airy and points south through Wilkesboro. Temperatures at 46 degrees in Burlington, still coming down really hard in areas of Asheboro, southeastern Guilford, so near Pleasant Garden area, but your temperatures are at 42. We expect some 50s, and you're starting to see that happen right here out over Asheboro right now with 37 though up in Sparta. So it's cold as this warm front lifts in, and eventually these zones here, Asheboro, Burlington, possibly an isolated storm. I think it's more likely Raleigh and Cary gets in on any thunderstorm activity if we can even pop things up. We just don't have a lot happening with that right now. Showers though are still possible as that low rides in and that warm front lifts in. It's going to create a little bit more instability for us in these areas, and it could cause more showers to fall as we head into the next few hours. So until about 4 o'clock, we'll have rain chances. It's not going to be as steady and heavy as what we had earlier today. Severe weather stays along the coast, and our even general thunderstorm risk area has dropped off. So Asheboro, Burlington, you're probably the folks that are going to be lucky enough to even hear some rumbles of thunder if we can get those going. The hour-by-hour forecast shows us that those storms start to pull away between 5 and 6, and we're seeing clouds begin to thin, at least through the foothills. A few more clouds that will be rolling back in right over the mountains, and this time they're going to drop in some snow showers. We could see 1 to 2 inches, it looks like this time around, for areas like Sugar Mountain or Beech Mountain, Banner Elk area. I just don't think you're going to get enough of a steady flow of the snow to bring totals up much more than that. So it'll be pretty sporadic. We don't have any winter weather advisories there, but it's going to be cold, blustery, and watch for any visibility issues that could develop from any snow up on those slopes. Temperatures for your Thursday evening down into the 40s and back into the 20s and 30s for early Friday morning before we talk mid 40s. If we can get you to the mid 40s on Friday, it's going to be a chilly day, a little bit below normal, but we have sunshine, and the sunshine stays with us for Saturday, and we're going to be enjoying some temperatures that'll warm right back up into the 50s. So what you can expect today, we've got some heavy rain still in the eastern tride, so Martinsville, Yanceyville, as well south as we head to Burlington and Asheboro. Gusty winds, that's for all of us. We'll see these gusts come up once we get you through this front lifting in. Stray showers are going to last through the evening hours, 1 or 2. Could still spot up as that low exits, you know, that wraparound moisture. You've got temperatures in the 50s, then 40s later on. 40s for folks in the foothills. We just don't seem to warm up here. We don't have the warm front in the right spot for you. Patchy showers and lingering clouds drop off by late evening too, and we gradually clear out through early tomorrow. But in the mountains, the winds stay up. It's blustery, and we're going to feel more like the teens by early tomorrow morning. So patchy light showers, those will continue, and a chance to see some flurries in the mountains, if not light snow showers, mainly western slopes. So overnight wind chill values in the 20s. Teens though, if you're in the mountains, temperatures reading 30 degrees there, and we'll be in the upper 30s for the foothills and the Tride. Looking warmer temperatures doesn't sound great. 50s sound fabulous after feeling what it feels like out there today. We're 7 degrees colder than where we were at this time yesterday. So we do see a nice warm up too to start your weekend. Notice from 45 on Friday, we go to 54 on Saturday with sunshine.